guys, this is Anushka. Welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to invade my Almirah. Almost every girl has this dream of having a big walk-in closet with lots of heels, bags, clothes, makeup and everything. What I think is my dream has been fulfilled partially. So let's see. Okay, let's get into the wardrobe. This is my step-in closet because this is not a walk-in closet. So this was a shaft and I convinced my parents and we built this wardrobe. So as soon as we enter, on the left side we have these 3 shelves, and on the first shelf I have my Instax mini Polaroid. This is in pink color, which is my favorite. Then I have this jewelry organizer which I got from Singapore, and I have some of my earrings and rings kept here. This is very dirty, sorry. Then on the third shelf I have this little cute bunny pen holder which I use for keeping the basic things, which is my comb, razor, filer and stuff like that. Yeah. Moving forward, I have this full length mirror which I have covered with these ropes, and I just tied knots. And these are some fairy lights which I just pasted because they looked pretty. These are my pendants ki collection. Right here are Archie's ke some pendants which I've collected, and I don't wear pendants but these boxes are just so cute, and I just pasted them with a double-edged tape, and these are just some of my pendants. The favorite one is in the drawer. Then coming on the right side, so I have these Polaroids here. I've clipped them with this wooden paper clip and I've painted them with nail paint. This side is my favorite because obviously the backdrop has to be very pretty when you click pictures. So what I did was I took cartridge sheets and I painted them just to match the floor, which is also in black and white color. This is a wooden floor, and I painted this wall, and I've done this on my own. I'm so proud of myself. Okay, now for the shelves. This is the first shelf. Here I have all my shorts, my denims, my cotton shorts and all of that. Then in the second shelf I have my jeans, denims, jeggings, track pants. And then this is my night suit shelf. In this shelf I have all my pajamas. Then in this shelf I have my night suit t-shirts. Now in this shelf I have all my sling bags and my fanny packs, and that is my hair dummy. मेरे friends आके से बहुत डर जाते हैं. Okay, this is my hair dummy. I used to practice hairstyles on this one. In this shelf, I have all my big bags, my totes, a very big sling which I don't even use. I don't even know why I have this. Then this has to be my favorite bag. This is worn out now. I used to use this in my college and I used to love this bag because this is so spacious and so basic and just my type. Then I have some more totes here which I don't even use now because lockdown और वैसे भी मेरे पास कहीं जाने के लिए नहीं है. Here I have all my, I don't know, kachra spare boxes, and also I have a memory box piche, the pink box. Then in the second shelf I have my t-shirts, basic t-shirts, and this is my nail paint ka dabba. This one is just super cute. I got this one from Singapore and I had Kit Kats in this one. This is so cute. Avengers theme ka dabba. And this is just Calabar ka normal nail paint remover. So uske piche I have all the Indian wear pants, and piche I have the stoles. And this is the stole which we used for the blindfold challenge. That was the last video that we shot, and if you haven't seen that video, you should. I'll attach the link in the description box below. Okay, so in here I have this mirror tray which I made on my own because home center it was super expensive, and I have all this perfumes and creams and stuff like that. Then in this box I have my skincare thoda bahut jo bhi. पीछे I have all the कचरा, मतलब ऐसा टिश्यू पेपर्स, कॉटन, डीओ, मेकअप रिमूवर and all of that. So these were all the shelves. सबसे ऊपर वाला शेल्फ I'm not going to show you because उसके अंदर बहुत कचरा भरा हुआ है. I don't even know क्या क्या भरा हुआ है. Don't even look at that shelf because मेरी height नहीं जाती वहाँ तक. Let's get into the drawers. So this is my first drawer. This is also chart paper. I painted this. In this drawer, I have इसके अंदर very basic makeup. I'm not going to open everything now. This is my lipsticks का pouch. Then this is my normal utility box. इसके अंदर safety pins and bandage stuff. Then I have my one and only watch. And I have some jewelry pieces here. And this is my टूटा हुआ highlighter. ये टूट गया था इसलिए I had to keep it like that. Yeah, that's it. Very basic. Then this is the second drawer. I have all my lingerie here. Third drawer. And I have some more lingerie situation going on. And some hankies and my tummy tucker, which is very important. मेरी हाइट ऐसे ऊपर तक जाती नहीं थी तो I just wanted कि मैं नीचे आराम से बैठ के अपना कपड़े एक्सप्लोर करती रहूं. So I have this rod right here and a lot of my clothes are here. Right here is my makeup vanity. I'm a professional makeup artist, so ये सब makeup उसके लिए है. And नीचे is my hair vanity, ये बड़ा वाला. Then I have my makeup vanities. And this right here is a top जो कि आज ही आया है. My friend just gifted and I love this one. मुझे अभी hanger में रखना है इसको. So we'll just keep this out थोड़ी देर. I have a lot of space now, जो होती नहीं है because of the vanity. Now for the clothes. I have my denim jackets here. Then I have some shirts and I try to color coordinate all of this. And I have some shirts. Then I have grey color. Then I have some black colors. Then I have some blues. Then वो purple, फिर white, फिर pink, फिर yellow. You got the did it right. And I have my lowers right here. Yes, skirts. Oh, this skirt is so pretty. This is so pretty. I love this skirt. तो इसके नीचे पूरा नेट है, स्कर्ट के नीचे ये पूरा नेट है और ये सिर्फ इतना कवर्ड है. एंड देन देयर इज दिस बिग स्लिट राइट हियर. आई वोर दिस इन गोवा एंड इट लुक्ड सो हॉट. आई हैव माय जंपसूट्स एंड गाउन्स, गोवा वाले गाउन्स जो कि गोवा में पता नहीं कब जाऊंगी. एंड दीज आर सम एक्स्ट्रा हैंगर्स. तो मुझे कपड़े लेने हैं जो मेरे पास खत्म हो गए इसलिए मेरे पास एक्स्ट्रा हैंगर्स है. So yeah, that's it for the video. I hope you like it, and if you did, do not forget to like the video and also subscribe to my channel. Do ring that bell icon so that you're notified the next time I post. Also, we are left with the winter Almira tour, but I'll do that some other day because this video will be too long if I'll do that. So yeah, till then, stay safe. Bye.